Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at what this little rubber thing does on your strap. Guys, so this little eyepiece is used to prevent light leakage. Now, you might ask from where? Very simple, from your eyepiece. So when you're doing any type of long exposure photography, light can actually leak via your eyepiece onto your sensor and obviously reflecting on your image. Now, here I've got a 5D Mark IV with a body cap on it, so no light whatsoever can get through from the front. I've got the Manfrotto LED light here. Both of them are on tripods. We can take two images. One where the light's going to be shining into the eyepiece, showing you the end result. And one, obviously removing the eyepiece, putting on this little rubber and showing you the result. Let's quickly do that. So first of all, we're just going to switch on the LED light. Get this camera obviously into position as such, just locking that. The camera is currently set at 10 seconds. We'll obviously just speed that up for you guys. ISO is 25,600. Reason for that, any little bit of light is obviously going to overcompensate. Blow it out of proportion completely, and that's out and out just for the purpose of this exercise. So let's quickly take one image. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of light leaking through there. Now, on full frame cameras, obviously the sensor is physically larger. So on full frame cameras, there's going to be done a lot more damage than on crop sensor cameras. Let's quickly put on this little piece of rubber, and we do so by pressing on both sides of the eyepiece, then lifting up. There's two prongs on the back, so that's why we press them on the side to release the prongs. Then this little rubber, you can only put it one way in, so just make sure you got that right way around. Slide that down from the top, and we're going to take the exact same image, exact same settings, exact same position, everything exactly the same. And as you can see, that little piece of rubber actually saved the image right now. So guys, any of you struggling with any long exposure photography, don't know where light might be leaking from, guys, try this. I'm sure it's going to help you. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please remember to like, subscribe, tell your friends about our channel. If you have any questions, any videos you'd like us to do, please do leave us a message in the comments below. Thanks guys, take care.